Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If microphone is connected but not working on Windows 11, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we'll check if your microphone has permissions. So right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we look for privacy and security and scroll down for the microphone. Now here we will check if the microphone has access to the devices. So make sure this is in the on position, and then we will look for whether microphone has access to the app you're trying to use. If it does, well and good. If it doesn't, then you need to click the on tab. Or if this is not there in this list, then when you open the app, you will get a allow or decline button. Just click on allow permission for microphone to use this app and it should start working. If that doesn't work, then check if it is muted. And by that I mean right click on the speaker icon and click on open volume mixer. Here check if this is muted. If this has a cross mark here, then click it to make sure that the system is in sound mode. And very important here is make sure that the input device is the device you're using and not the general device. And after we do that, we will now update the drivers. So there's two ways of doing that. You can go to device manager, open the audio inputs and outputs, and then click on the right click on the microphone and click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. And the other way of doing it is if you're having a microphone manufacturer, if you're having a microphone who has a particular manufacturer, say for example Blue Yeti, then look for the drivers on the website of this manufacturer and then download those drivers and install them. Now the next thing we need to do is check if our microphone is the default device, which could be the reason it's not working. So look for change system sounds, and in recording look for the microphone that you're using, right click on it and click on, first you click enable. If it is disabled you have to click enable, and you look for properties, look for levels, and please check if it is muted here. If there's a cross button, then uncross it to make the microphone into the general mode, not the mute mode. Then also go to advanced, and here check this box, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority. Click on OK, apply OK, and your microphone should start working on any app. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.